I've built a fully automated bot using Claude that will search for my target businesses on Google Maps. It will find each one of them, it will go to their website, and it will collect the email address or phone number if you want. And here's the crazy part, it will automatically write a personalized email to each one of these businesses. You can even attach different files that you want, and it will send them. And I also created a CRM that will automatically update when you send emails. For example, in here, I collected hundreds of businesses around me. Basically, you can see all their email addresses in here. For some of them, I created the draft, and when you send them, basically this section will change to send. It will automatically update this CRM. If they give you a response, it will automatically update here. Everything automated only by using Claude Code. And this is totally free. Usually for scraping, you have to pay for different services, but this method is totally free. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and watch this video until the end. Without further ado, let's get into it. In the first step, just join my school community. You can find the link in the video description. In the classroom, find Outreach Automation with Claude. Scroll down and just download the project folder. To open this folder, we actually need an IDE. You can use Anti-Gravity or Visual Studio. Both of them are free to use and they look exactly the same. Personally, I'm using Visual Studio. Just download it. And in here, this is how it looks like. In the extension section, just search for Claude and install it. Claude Code. In the settings section, click on settings and make sure to enable allow bypass permission. This is important. Now, all we have to do is to open our projects folder. Just click on this. And now click on one of these files. For example, let's say this one. And you can see Claude icon in here. Just click on this. Now you can make any changes you like to this folder. To start the project, we have to call our skill. I've built a skill named new campaign. Just write /new campaign. And now Claude will ask us many questions to find out our purpose for using this tool. And in this way, it can basically set up everything automatically. What is the goal of this outreach? We can choose job hunting, business development, marketing, PR, partnership, collaborations. I want to find some jobs. I want to send some emails to the HR. So I'm selecting job hunting. Click on submit answer. You can use it for any other purpose that you like, especially for marketing. This is very useful. What is the industry or type of organization should be targeted? You can describe other firms like construction, but I want to use accounting firms. Where is your target location? Let's say, for example, let me back to the location. In here, you can specify, for example, Wollongong or any other city. Let's click on Sydney for now. And I'm looking for part-time casual. Just click on submit answers. Now, do you want to accept general contact emails or you only want some specific name emails for each company? Yes, I'm totally fine with general emails as well. And how many drafts per day? I think if you're using your own Gmail and it's new, 10 to 15 is actually quite reasonable. Otherwise, if you send too many emails, they will go to the spam folder. Let's select 10 per day. Click on submit. Does the outreach need a file attached to each email? Yeah, actually, I want to upload my CV and resume. These questions are more related to job hunting because we chose job hunting. If you choose, for example, marketing, it will ask you different questions. Let's click on yes, CV or resume. I want to upload them. From in this section, let me upload my CV. Make sure to change this to bypass permission. I don't want Claude constantly ask me, permission. It should have access to my system. Email template. You can have a custom one, or you can allow Claude to write it for you. I want to use my own template. So I'll provide the full body. What should be the email subject line? I think part-time accounting role inquiry is quite good. Or if you want anything else, you can change this. Let's click on submit. Let me find my template for the email and paste it in here. Yeah, it asked me for the email body. I'll type it here. This is a very simple template. Hello, I hope you're doing well. I recently came across the company name. Claude will basically extract the company information and it will fill this part for you. And the other parts will remain the same. They wouldn't change those. Let's click on send. Now we gave the template. And now we have to enable basically the APIs. I haven't enabled any of these yet, so now I need to set this up. Also, do you have OAuth? I don't have. I need to create it. And since I answered I don't have those, it will guide me step by step how to find and enable these APIs. First, I have to go to console.cloud.com. Let's go. We're now actually in console. We just have to create a new project. Just click on this. Click on new project. Let's name it something. For example, accounting job finder or anything you like. And click on create. The name doesn't matter. You can name it whatever you like. After creating that, just select this and now we're in the project's console. We have to enable few APIs. The first one in the search bar, just search uh, basically Google Sheet. We need Google Sheet API because we want to make some changes to our CRM. Our CRM is in Google Sheet. We have to update it regularly. So we need the API for Google Sheet. Just select this and click on enable. Now we also have to enable Gmail API key because we want to write the drafts. Select Gmail API and enable this as well. The third one is actually Google Maps. So just search for it. Google Maps new. Places API new. This is the one we have to activate. Just select this and click on enable. It actually gave me an API key. You just have to copy this. However, if you're doing this for the first time, it will ask you for your bank details. And the reason for that is they want to make sure you are not a bot. However, they wouldn't charge you anything, so don't worry about it. Just save this somewhere. We're going back to this one very soon. In here, just click on maybe later. And now just click on the navigate bar, find API and services. This time, click on credentials. Click on create credential. We want OAuth client ID. Before doing that, we have to configure consent screen. Just go there first. Click on get started. We need the app information. Just name it anything you like. Outreach system. User support email. Just write your email here. Click on next. It's an external. Click on next. Contact information. Write your email here. Click on next. Continue. Click on agree, continue, and create. Back to create OAuth client, or we can do it from here. API and services, credentials, create credential, OAuth client ID. Okay, application type, select desktop app. The name, let's say outreach system, and click on create. In here, we have a client ID and also a JSON file. Just download this JSON file. And this is something that we have to give Claude. We downloaded JSON file. We have API key for maps. And now we need an screen as well. Uh, in the navigate bar, API and services, this time click on OAuth consent screen. Just click on this. Click on audience. Actually, in this section, click on audience. Uh, we want to have a test user. We have to give access to our Gmail. Click on add user and write your email here. Click on save, and now we're ready to go. So basically what you have to do is to enable Google Maps, new Google Sheet and Gmail APIs. Then you have to go to API and services, first credentials, then off consent screen. We actually didn't need this one. And basically we have to go to the audience section to add our test users. Everything is ready to go. Let's back to Visual Studio. In here, we have to upload the maps ID and also that JSON file. Let me upload them in here. I've uploaded my client secret. And this is my Google Maps, basically API. Click on send. We also have to create a sheet on Google Sheet. Just create one. Click on share. Uh, let's skip. For the access, make it public for anyone and just copy this. Back to Visual Studio. I have the sheet ID. Click on submit and paste the sheet in here. It actually created an env file with all my credentials. Now it's writing some search keywords for accounting firms to search on Google Maps. Now it installs all the dependencies for me. Now for OAuth, we have to log in with the same accounts that we provided as a test user. Claude automatically opened my browser. We have to log in. Just click on continue. Select all in here. Click on continue. Now it has access to my Google Sheet, my Gmail, and it can write or change anything I like. Our CRM is also ready, and now it's run the project to find different companies and add them to our CRM. As you can see, using the API, immediately it was able to find 100 Sydney accounting firms and added them to our CRM. Let's back to the CRM. Let's see what happened. Let me refresh the page. Click on CRM. You can see 100 companies in here. Still, it doesn't have the emails because right now it's trying to fetch the emails from the website. Probably it can get up to 40% of the emails. Then we run a second scrape using our Chrome, which I'm going to show you. And with that one, we can get more emails. Okay, let's back to our CRM. Let's refresh this. Now we have some emails in here. For example, this one, a general email, a staff email, general email, general email. These are the emails. How it found these emails? Basically, it scraped the code for each website to find some email addresses. This is very fast, but you can't find all the emails for different websites. What I usually do is, for example, out of 100 accounting firms, it was able to find 28 emails. Now what I want to do is I want to run a second scrape, run the second scrape using my Chrome. Basically, this project automatically installed Chrome MCP server, and Chrome MCP can browse your Chrome automatically. And now what it does is it will go to the website for each one of these companies that it wasn't able to find their email, and it will look for some email addresses to add to this. And probably by using this, we can get more emails and we can have a better leads. This could actually take 5 to 10 minutes because it will open my Chrome. It could take time, but the result will be much better and it's worth it. As you can see, the first website was this one, and they had a security issue. They didn't allow to open the website, but it moved on to the next one, which is this one, AIM. It will, basically take a screenshot from this. It will save it. It moved on to the next website. It will look in the contact section, info section, all those sections to find the email address. And it will do this for all the remaining basically companies that they don't have email. Second scrape using our MCP is actually done, and now we have 57 company emails. This is a great result because a lot of these companies, these small firms, they don't have any email or they have a form. Now we're ready to go. All we have to do is to say prioritize which firms we have to email first, put them at the top of our CRM, and let's draft 10 emails for me for sending. Now let's click on send. Our CRM is actually reordered and now it's writing the drafts for me. And as soon as it writes the draft, it will automatically update my CRM. You can see in here, draft created for this one. Yes, yes, yes. These are pending. And when I click on send and send them, we can run the bot again to update the CRM. It will check all my emails. It will find out which emails sent and it will change the status for each one of them. Let's back to the code. Okay, everything done. Let's go to my drafts. Let's refresh this. You should see 10 drafts in here. And here we go. Let's click on this. Hello, I hope you're doing well. I recently came across, this is the name of the business. It's also uploaded my CV. You can see it in here with the same subject that I added. Let's click on send. And now let's back to here, update CRM. And now it will check basically my Gmail and it should change, the status. Okay, CRM is now updated. Let's go here, click on refresh. And now let's click for the company, Forbes, it was the name. This is the company name. The status from pending changed to no reply. When we receive a reply, it will show the reply and even the email in here. You can organize this CRM based on your need. You can make it more beautiful. It's very messy right now, but that's fine. Here's the important thing. I know a lot of you probably want to send all the emails automatically and you don't have to check them, just click on send. And that's totally possible. You can ask Claude to send all the emails automatically. However, the issue that I realized is I think Google has some advanced features and they can understand we're using API to basically send so many emails, and they will send your emails to the spam folder. However, if you write them as a draft and you send them manually by yourself, they wouldn't go to the draft folder, which is very cool. This takes you like 20 seconds per day. All you have to do is just click on send. But I think if the number of emails that you want to send, they are not a lot, you use your personal account, this definitely works for you and it can save you so much time and you're sure the emails will show in the inbox section. I really hope you found this video helpful. You can find all the codes in my school community and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Cheers.